My name is Michael Njau Wahwai. This is my home area. It's a place in Sigona Ward. Sigona Ward, a village called Goriondito. And I do strawberry farming. I'm a guy who is 25 years. And for the past 5 years, I've been employed. I've been employed, but once I discovered what farming is and my interests, I came back to farming. I learned about strawberries and I decided to take it as a project on my own. So I've been farming for the last 1.5 years. For the last maybe 10 years, guys used to complain about issues to do with farm. We had guys doing a lot of farming, but the income was too down. They used to do it as just a hobby, unlike today whereby we have farming becoming a good business. We still have the agribusiness concept whereby it has made us earn. There's that earning issue. There's that creation of employment to yourself. Once I do wake up, most of the people go taking breakfast. But for me, I move around in the farm. That's the first thing I do. I move around, I watch my greenhouse, I watch my plants. I go and watch the few animals we are having, and I feed them. After that, that's now when I go back to the house and take breakfast. Moving around in the farm is planning what am I going to do for that day. And as I take my breakfast, I'm able now to give a good plan. What is urgent? So I do the planning of that day and I start working. I work in this farm, putting bags in the soil, doing mixtures, making my compost, manure, because I don't like buying manure from outside. I make my own compost manure from my few animals. And I also do measurements. And I make sure the greenhouse is still producing, watering plants, clearing the compound. Those are the activities that mainly I do. Then in the afternoon, I give myself some fun time. I like moving around, seeing other farmers too in the afternoons. What do they do? What ideas can I get from them? Going to the internet, reading about the information about strawberries, other farming activities. I also do that. So most of the afternoon, I'm there seeking information. That is my time to relax. I joined a group called Generation Achievers, and they have been working as farmers, others as practical activities, social welfare. There are guys who do tree planting. We also have guys who do poultry. We also have guys who do farming. So that makes us have a large group with different members who have different activities. The reason why I got into a group is because of, first of all, the government is helping groups. So that's one thing that made me join a group. And the group I joined, I found different activities. We have farmers, we have social welfare activities. Working in a group makes people share ideas. You know, being alone means that you're thinking about yourself. You're not getting creative, neither are you getting innovative. Working together makes people have that kind of an innovation way of getting creativity. And also seeing you're not left alone. There are people also who have other weaknesses, like you do, but now they are working on their weaknesses. There is that motivation. Every day we motivate guys. You can do farming this way. We have guys who don't have land, but they can do them in bags. The bags are going to help them be able to produce more and more. Once you get serious in farming, I'm sure you'll be earning good money. To be a successful farmer in Kenya is making sure you achieve your dream day by day. Meaning every day you must work on something. You must go do an activity so that by the end of the year you achieve your dreams. My dream is to have 6,000 plants this year. And so far I have 1,400. So I have 4,600 to go for. And I'm sure I'll be having that. Meaning next year I'll be having another dream of achieving something else. This is now part of our missions. Day-to-day activities, every month, these are our missions, so that we can be able to achieve our visions. I have been employed in a bank. I have been a sales representative and an agent in an insurance company. And I visited a bookshop, and I was reading about landscaping and also how to produce a product that can be beneficial. So I was turning the book and I got some pages talking about strawberries. That's when I got interested in the strawberry plant, and I decided to come and implement that. But now it was very hard for me to get the strawberries, so I did a lot of moving around to look for the strawberries. My first harvest and my first sales, it was few, but now I saw the future. In the next 2 years, if I produce thousands of strawberry plants, I will be having almost double of my salary. For the last 1 year and a half, I've been learning different seasons, how to produce strawberries more than other people. So this is still my learning period, but I'm sure by the end of this year, I'll be having full information about strawberry, how to grow them, all season you are producing, so that I can be able now to hit my target for my salary. This idea of doing potted strawberry, putting soil in the bag and growing strawberries in the bag, came from my dad. He used to do this farming when he was young, and they used to do spinach in bags, cabbages in bags. And this is one way of doing conservation of water, conservation of soil, and also making the product more productive throughout the year. So it was an experiment we began, and we found that the strawberry are doing very nice in the potted bags. Farm Concern is a nice company which has always managed to help me in terms of marketing and other ideas, and also making the group aware what other activities can you get involved in, giving a lot of information. So Farm Concern has also helped us in trying to make the community understand how farming can take us far. Reviving dead activities. We have people who didn't go for kienyeji chicken, and today we have them. We have people who are trying now to go for strawberries with the best ideas. We are doing that. So Farm Concern has come greatly so that it can help us have that our products are going to move, information we have, marketing is there, so we are safe with Farm Concern. Farm Concern supported us in value addition, training about jam processing, juice, and also milkshake. So with the fruits, you need to do value addition, especially this time of harsh weather. We don't have a lot of production. So you need the few that you have, you're able to make jam, store for marketing. You also make juice for also marketing, for sale, and also preservation. So it's a very nice activity where a strawberry farmer should be having that information about value addition, because strawberries are very perishable. Within 2 days, they are bad. They cannot go for sale. But in form of jam, at least for 2 months, you'll be having the jam still in the market and still trying to market the jam. And guys have gone now to those products which are coming from fruits directly. And we are saying it's another better idea, and actually that's among the best ideas we should implement, so that we can be able now to make our produce and our products more valuable. My dreams in the future is to have a farm of 10 acres of land. So a dream of 10 acres whereby I'll be doing departments. Okay, there's that intensive farming whereby you have cows, poultry, you also have the strawberries, about 3 products which are giving the best. That's a dream that I have for 10 acres, so that I can subdivide it that way. Then another dream is owning a farm whereby I'm producing my own jam, and a company whereby I'm competing with other companies. Once I get a brand and I put my jam, I'll be now a competitor with big companies. Also helping other guys to achieve. We have guys who are around us. Why do we have theft cases? Why do we have idleness which leads to death and all that? Idleness actually leads to a lot of negativities around us. So we also need to empower other guys around so that they can also have a dream to achieve or achieve their dreams. So this kind of farming also is going to help my neighbors or other guys who are out there to do the same so that we can work together. As a group, I know we can be able to go far and achieve our dreams very quickly. So we also need, I also have that heart of helping guys who are out there so that they can be able to grow. We give trainings, how to plant them. My strawberries are on Facebook, guys are watching how I'm doing. So I'm giving an idea to guys who are out there so that they can be able to do the same and produce the best. And my dream also, a dream that made me start Strawberry is to fight cancer.